Hello and welcome to the Online College of Coding video tutorial series. In this video, I'm going to quickly take you through installing Scratch. Let's get started. Before we install Scratch, we need to install Adobe Air. To get Adobe Air, you could visit the link that's on screen at the moment, or there's a link from the Scratch website. Click the Download Now button, and when it's complete, run the executable. Have a read through the terms and conditions, and then click Agree. Let the installer do its thing, and then when it's done, click Finish. Now head to the Scratch website, scratch.mit.edu/download. Simply choose the right download for your operating system, and when it's complete, run the downloaded executable. Choose a location to install Scratch, click Continue, and the installation will begin. When the installation has completed, the Scratch editor will open up and you're ready to go.